it's time to start taking a look at some different types of cryptocurrencies. And here on the screen, you can see some of the most common cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin right here, which is probably familiar to all of you guys. We have Ethereum right here, and right here we have a cryptocurrency called Tether. Tether is a stablecoin, and stablecoins are very important when it comes to crypto trading, and we will talk more about stablecoins later. Bitcoin is also a special type. It's what I call a money cryptocurrency. And Ethereum is actually yet another type. It's a type of cryptocurrency where you can build smart contracts. But so now let's take a look at some different types of cryptocurrencies. And the first type here is money cryptocurrencies, or in other words, payment cryptocurrencies. These are basically cryptocurrencies where the purpose of the crypto is to be money. So these cryptocurrencies need to be able to store value. You need to be able to divide the cryptocurrencies into small amounts. And the cryptocurrencies should also be easy to move. It should be easy to trade the cryptocurrencies and buy stuff, no matter where in the world you are. So some examples of payment cryptocurrencies is, first of all, the biggest and most famous one, which is Bitcoin. But we have some other examples right here. Litecoin is another example of a payment cryptocurrency. And another one is, Bitcoin Cash, which I think is a fork of Bitcoin. The next type I want to talk about here is the smart contract cryptocurrency type. And remember, Ethereum right here is an example of a smart contract cryptocurrencies. Some other big ones are Cardano and Solana. So these three examples are different blockchains where you can create smart contracts. And explaining smart contracts is a little bit out of the scope of this video, but it's still important to understand that, different cryptocurrencies have different purposes. So for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum are very different kinds of cryptocurrencies. So it's not really like, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum are not really competing against each other because they are, different kinds. The next type I want to talk about is something called altcoins. And, altcoins is not really a type of cryptocurrencies, but altcoins is a very common word that you will hear all the time. And when we talk about altcoins, what we mean is basically all coins except for Bitcoin. So all coins except for Bitcoin are, an umbrella term for these cryptocurrencies are altcoins. So for example, Ethereum is an altcoin, Litecoin is an altcoin, and so on and so on. The next coin type I just want to mention here real quick is something called meme coins. And what is a meme coin? Well, meme coins are basically cryptocurrencies that are based on, most of the times they are based on internet memes and internet jokes. And some examples of meme coins are, for example, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe Coin right here. And you may of course wonder, why would you trade meme coins? Do they even have a use case or anything like that? Well, first of all, some of the meme coins actually have pretty decent use cases. Some of the meme coins can work well as money, so you can buy and sell things. You can actually buy and sell things with meme coins. And the other thing we need to know here about meme coins is that as a trader, if your goal is to only buy and sell something, you don't really have to care a lot about, the actual project. If you are investing, that's a different story. But if you're only trading, the only thing you care about as a trader is if the meme coins are moving a lot up and down. Because when something moves a lot up and down, that means that we have opportunities as traders to make money out of these movements. And many of these meme coins actually have very large movements. So for example, Dogecoin is probably the most famous meme coin, and Dogecoin can move a lot. For example, Elon Musk on X, he tends to have periods when he tweets a lot about Dogecoin and so on, and that can cause extreme price movements. And these large price movements, we as traders can use as opportunities to make money. So even though most meme coins will probably be a bad investment long term, it's definitely viable to trade meme coins. Last but definitely not least, we have a category called stablecoins. And for traders, stablecoins is very important to understand, so I will have a separate slide where I talk about stablecoins. But for now, let's just take a look at a few examples. So one example of a stablecoin is USDT, which stands for USD Tether. This right here is USD Tether. And another example of a stablecoin is USDC here, or USD coin. All right, so this video was actually just a very short clip from our full crypto trading course. To watch the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very soon.